A custom-built masterpiece that combines the immense strength of a massive rig with the sheer elegance of a five-star hotel, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a real road monster. Usually constructed on a sturdy Kenworth T680 or W900 chassis, its graceful, aerodynamic body makes up for its intimidating exterior. Its powerful hood conceals a powerhouse, usually a Cummins X15 diesel engine or a PACCAR MX-13. These engines' massive torque not only provide reliable power for transportation, but it also integrates state-of-the-art fuel-saving technology, often paired with a hybrid electric system for maximum efficiency and range. This RV's eye-catching grille, gleaming chrome, state-of-the-art LED lighting, and unique body paint make it stand out on the road. When you take the wheel, a beautiful cockpit that combines state-of-the-art technology with timeless usability greets you. The traditional dashboard is replaced by a massive 15-inch digital display, which provides the driver with total control and the most recent data. The panel may be set up to show anything from engine diagnostics and navigation to tire pressure and trailer condition. With all the functionality you require, the multi-function steering wheel allows you to operate the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road. The ergonomic design, luxurious leather seats with heating and massage capabilities, and top-notch sound system make long travels enjoyable. A stunning cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with classic practicality welcomes you as soon as you take the wheel. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, giving the driver complete control and the latest recent information. The panel may be configured to display everything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. The multi-function steering wheel gives you all the features you need to control the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road. Long trips are made pleasant by the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and excellent sound system. The master bedroom is a comfortable haven. Its luxurious linens, excellent mattress, and full king-size bed make it the perfect retreat after a long day of travel. There is lots of walking room and ingenious built-in storage solutions. With a large flat-screen TV and an independent sound system, the bedroom has been converted into a private movie theater. The large windows with blackout curtains allow you to sleep in complete darkness or wake up to a breathtaking morning. To create a calm atmosphere, you may also change the ambient lighting. The bathroom has the atmosphere of a private spa. It has a huge shower with a glass enclosure, a full-size vanity with an expensive countertop, and a porcelain toilet. The shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems ensure that you never run out of warm water. Ample storage for towels and amenities is seamlessly included into the design. The room is luxurious and surprisingly sanitary thanks to the slick, modern finishes and top-of-the-line technology in the design. The main attraction of the RV is its kitchen, which is made to satisfy even the most discriminating chef. It has granite or solid surface countertops, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size stainless steel refrigerator. A large sink and a pull-down faucet make cleaning simple. Every part is of domestic quality, and the roomy handmade cabinets provide ample storage for groceries, cookware, and dishes. This is not just a kitchenette. It's a full gourmet kitchen that can be used to rapidly prepare five-star meals.